everyone, welcome to Health Matters. We're the Elliots, and today we're going to make a delicious green smoothie inspired by our youngest daughter, Jordyn. Jordyn just graduated from the University of California, Berkeley, and during her senior year, she worked as a barista at a spinning studio. And along the way, she learned some really delicious and easy recipes that you can make at home.
Great smoothies, and so it's one of the silver linings in this whole quarantine. Our kids are working from home, and so right now we have the smoothie master here. And so we're gonna do our best to replicate one of her smoothies, but she's got a bunch. She's got a coffee, a berry. This is called the touchback, I think. And so we're gonna do our best.
Also, she made them in 90 seconds. Can we do that? She had 90 seconds to make her smoothie.
Impossible.
All right, well, we're gonna start with 16 ounces of coconut water.
All right.
This makes it nice and refreshing. We have avocado, so great way to add some delicious flavor and healthy fat.
Yeah.
Fat is one of the keys to helping keep you fuller longer.
All right.
We have the frozen mango. You want to grab the frozen mango out of the freezer?
Yes.
Okay, so we've got some frozen mango. The key to making a really creamy smoothie is frozen fruit.
How much?
You can do a cup of that.
How much of it?
A cup.
I think that looks good there.
And don't worry about the sugar in fruit. People worry about the sugar in fruit. You worry about the added sugar, but sugar that's in naturally occurring fruits and vegetables shouldn't be an issue. We're gonna add some vegan protein powder. And then we have some turmeric, which is great.
That color.
Anti-inflammatory,
So good for you.
antioxidants.
Yep, so good for you.
This is my little touch because I'm addicted to matcha. Also adds great antioxidant properties, but it contains caffeine, so if you're making it for little ones, skip the matcha.
Yes. But what a boost it gives you too. Like every time I have matcha, I just feel really alert.
And we have that's a lot of matcha. So we have a squeeze of lime, and then we have a little bit of fresh ginger. You don't have to use all of these ingredients. Honestly, if you're out of a couple of them, do not stress about it. It's delicious, even if you're missing something. Sometimes I don't have ginger, I've been out of turmeric, it's fine. So we have a little piece of ginger.
Ooh, yummy.
Mint leaves, which adds such great flavor, one of my favorite fresh herbs. And then it seems like a lot of spinach, but it's not. It's delicious. I guarantee even young kids call it the green monster. Get creative with it, and kids will love it. You're gonna fill it to the top with the spinach. No.
Now, there's a stigma with spinach because I grew up in public school, so spinach at lunchtime was canned spinach and it was terrible.
Yep, same here.
And so now when you get fresh spinach, I mean, it's just the best thing ever. So, especially a little olive oil and garlic. And you throw it in a smoothie and it's so
Okay, but
just
olive oil
fresh.
and garlic not in the smoothie. That's
Yeah, not in
sauteed.
the smoothie,
That's for
yes.
dinner.
Are we ready?
Yes, we're ready. Go ahead.
See if Jordyn would approve. Let's go.
Yeah, let's see. There we go. I don't know. Did we make it? I think that's good, babe. I don't know if we get hired by the cycling studio, but
Oh, it looks pretty good. Jordyn might not be the smoothie master anymore.
nice and creamy, which is what you want in a smoothie.
Great.
This has protein, fiber from the veggies and from the avocado, and the healthy fat. Those are the three keys to satiety. Whether you're having a snack or a meal, you want to make sure that they contain those three nutrients and you're all set. Cheers.
Cheers.
To your health.
To your health.
You can check out this recipe at the Methodist Healthcare website, sahealth.com.
Drink up, babe.